Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to break down how to use private browsing on your Mac. It's super useful for, those times you want a little extra privacy online. Just a heads up, this is based on my own experience, and I'll put some helpful links in the description below. Okay, first up, we'll tackle Safari. First, open Safari. Now, go up to the top system menu and click File. In that drop-down menu, select New Private Window. You can also use the keyboard shortcut shown on the screen. Boom! A new private window opens, and you can browse just like normal. Pretty simple, right? Next, let's jump into Google Chrome. Same idea. First, open Google Chrome. Head to File in the top system menu and click New Incognito Window. You can also use the keyboard shortcut. Alternatively, you can click the three dots in the top right corner and find New Incognito Window in the drop-down menu. Click it, and you've got an incognito window ready to go. Browse away. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tips. Thanks for watching.